Welcome to the library's video tutorials for the equipment available in the studio at the Spokane Valley Library. Today's video is about the Sony PXW-Z100. I'm going to show you how to navigate clips and storage. To begin, place the Sony battery in the empty slot at the back of the camera. There is a white triangle that should be pointing downwards. When the battery is secure, it makes a click. The compartment beside the battery contains slots for SD cards, XQD memory cards, a USB 2.0 cable, and a FireWire cable. To switch between XQD memory cards, press A and B. The lens cover lever is on the left side of the camera. Switch the lever upwards to open the lens cover and down to close the cover. To turn on the camera, hold down on the green button and turn to the left. One way to record is by pressing the red button beside the power switch. View what is recording through the viewfinder or open up the LCD screen. You can only use one or the other. The LCD screen is fully reversible. To view recorded footage on the camera, open the LCD screen and press on the thumbnail button, just above the handle. Information about the clip, including its name, format, duration, date, and time, can be found at the bottom of the screen. The top of the screen displays the XQD card that contains the clip and the current clip number above the total number of clips. Next, press play or set to view the clip. To navigate between clips, use the arrow surrounding the Select Set button. To delete a clip or all clips from the XQD card, press the thumbnail button and then Option. The Option button will bring up a drop-down menu that gives the function to delete specific clips or delete all clips. To upload the footage from the camera, hook up the FireWire cable to the camera and the USB 2.0 cable to the computer. A prompt should appear on the LCD screen or viewfinder that says Connect USB Now. Select the Execute option on the screen. Next, the two XQD cards should appear as untitled drives on your desktop. Click into the untitled drive, into XD root, and find clips. Under clips, you're only going to want the MXF files because those are the ones you can edit. Drag and drop it onto the desktop so it can be copied, and then close out of your untitled drives. Afterwards, bring your untitled drives down to the trash so that they can be ejected and the camera can be disconnected. Thank you for watching. You'll find additional tutorials for equipment available at the studio on our YouTube channel, including more about the Sony PXW-Z100.